Assalamu alaikum, everyone, and welcome back to our podcast, where we learn together, grow together, and try to become better Muslims step by step, one conversation at a time.
Wa alaikum assalam, everyone. We are so happy you are here again with us today. Ramadan is a very special month, full of mercy, forgiveness, and beautiful opportunities. And today, we are talking about something very close to the heart of Islam, the blessing of charity in Ramadan.
Yes, because many people know Ramadan is about fasting from food and drink, but sometimes we forget that Ramadan is also the month of giving, sharing, and caring for others.
So stay with us until the end, because today we will talk about why charity becomes more powerful in Ramadan, how small actions bring big rewards, and how everyone, even students or people with little money, can give charity.
And if you enjoy learning Islam in simple English, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends and family.
Effendi, let me start with a simple question. What does charity mean in Islam?
That's a great question. In Islam, charity is called Sadaqah, and it means giving something sincerely for the sake of Allah. It can be money, food, help, kindness, or even a smile.
So charity is not only for rich people.
Exactly. Many people think charity means giving a lot of money, but the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught us that even removing something harmful from the road is charity, and even smiling at someone is charity.
I really love that teaching because it means everyone can participate in charity every day.
Yes, Islam makes goodness easy and open for everyone.
Now, let's talk about Ramadan. Why does charity become more important during this month?
Because Ramadan is the month of mercy and multiplied rewards. Allah increases the reward of good deeds many times more than in other months.
So, one small donation in Ramadan can become a huge reward.
Yes, the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was already the most generous person, but during Ramadan he became even more generous, like a fast-moving wind bringing goodness everywhere.
Subhanallah, that means Ramadan teaches us generosity.
Exactly. When we fast, we feel hunger and thirst, and this helps us understand the struggles of poor people. Our hearts become softer, and we want to help others.
I heard that charity cleans the heart. Is that true?
Yes, very true. Charity removes selfishness, pride, and love of wealth. When we give something we love for Allah, our heart becomes lighter and more peaceful.
Sometimes people feel happier after giving than after receiving.
That is one of the beautiful secrets of charity. Allah created humans in a way that helping others brings inner happiness.
So charity is not losing money, it is gaining blessings.
Exactly. Allah promises that charity never decreases wealth. Instead, Allah replaces it with something better, maybe more provision, protection, or peace in life.
Let's give some practical examples. What kinds of charity can we do in Ramadan?
There are many simple ways: giving food for iftar, donating money to the needy, supporting orphans, helping parents at home, teaching someone knowledge, making dua for others, sharing kindness and good words.
I love giving iftar meals because the Prophet said, whoever feeds a fasting person receives the same reward without reducing the other person's reward.
Yes, imagine that. You may not fast perfectly every day, but by helping others break their fast, Allah still gives you great reward.
Even sharing dates or water counts, right?
Yes, even one date or a sip of water.
Some listeners may think, I want to give charity, but I don't have much money.
And that is very important to address. Charity does not depend on how much you have, but on sincerity.
So what can students or young people do?
They can help someone carry heavy bags, visit the sick, respect parents, teach a child how to read Quran, smile and speak gently.
That makes charity feel possible for everyone.
Yes, Allah looks at intention, not size.
Ramadan is also connected to zakat, right?
Yes, zakat is an obligatory charity, one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Muslims who have enough wealth must give a portion to those in need.
And what about zakat al-Fitr?
Zakat al-Fitr is given before Eid prayer so that poor people can also celebrate Eid with happiness and dignity.
That is so beautiful because Islam wants everyone to feel included. I heard that secret charity is very special.
Yes, giving secretly protects sincerity because you are not giving for praise or attention, only for Allah.
So sometimes the best charity is the one nobody knows.
Exactly. Allah knows, and that is enough.
Ramadan feels different when people give more. Communities become warmer, families share meals, and hearts feel connected.
That is the spirit of Ramadan: unity, compassion, and mercy. Charity builds love between people and removes jealousy and loneliness.
So charity does not only help the poor, it heals society.
Yes, charity strengthens the ummah.
Before we finish, let's give one simple reminder to everyone listening.
Start small, but start today. One good action every day of Ramadan can change your life and your akhirah.
Maybe today you share food, tomorrow you help someone, and another day you give a small donation, and all of it becomes mountains of reward.
Ramadan passes quickly, but the rewards remain forever.
Thank you so much for listening to our podcast today about the blessing of charity in Ramadan.
If this episode inspired you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to increase good deeds this Ramadan.
May Allah accept our fasting, our charity, and our intentions.
Assalamu alaikum, and see you in the next episode.